Hi, this is Nature Girl of Colorado Keepsake Day Hikes, and today we are making homemade suet. It's probably a little easier to just go out and buy it, but it's kind of fun. So we got your bird seed, a little bit of cornmeal, trail mix, and your suet basket, a container, and peanut butter. In this pot we have 2 cups of melted lard. To the 2 cups of lard you're going to add 2 cups of bird seed. 1 cup.
1 bird.
And we all know that the early bird catches the worm. And for those early risers, we're going to add a little coffee. No, not really, just teasing. No, but this is how the real mixture looks. And so we're going to add just a little bit, maybe a cup of cornmeal. We'll just wing this. Stir it into the mix. Looks delicious. Yummy. I think we're going to add some peanut butter to this mix just for some gourmet bird food. Thanks. Why don't we try a different spoon here? Okay, so we're just winging this. I say for 4 or 5 batches, we're going to add maybe a giant spoonful of peanut butter. This one has peanuts. Maybe 2. For those extra special birds like the tanagers or the grosbeaks. Okay, when the suet is done, we're going to pour it into this pan, or you can find whatever container you want. And when it's chilled, we are going to cut it however we need to make it fit into the suet basket. Okay, and so we're going to add a mixture of trail mix. This includes raisins, nuts,
Raisins, dates, nuts,
dates, and for those Colorado birds, little green stuff. And then when you get tired, you can incorporate your husband. So we are simmering the cornmeal super low just to help it bind. We don't know if this is going to work or not. Okay, so I killed the heat. We reshaped the pans, and we're just going to pour enough in here. As you can see, the sunflower seeds all came out in one batch, so we're just mixing it up, adding a little bit more seeds to the other batch, so it's about even. Yep, about an inch there, an inch there. Perfect. So we're just going to add the finished product into the freezer. You can also put it in the refrigerator. And we'll come back in a little bit, mix the seed up a little bit. All right? Is our suet done yet?
He rocks in the treetop all the day long, hopping and a bopping and a singing his song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet.
I should go for a hike.
Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' Robin.
Sonny, want to go for a hike? Want to go for a hike?
Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little bird in the tall oak tree. The wise old owl, the big black crow, flap of their wings, sing and go, bird, go, rockin' robin, rockin' robin, go, rockin' robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. They started going steady and bless my soul. He out popped the buzzard and the Oreo. He rocks in the treetop all the day long, popping and a singing his song.